Super-Foamy liquid detergent. Very, very effective. Welcome here, guys. I'm so delighted making this product and so excited seeing the results. Get set, you can. Write down the steps. Beautiful and very effective. Pour water to liters. Steep 100 grams. Soda ash 250 grams. Cells 100 grams. Caustic soda 15 grams. Hexapon Celeste to 5OG. Sulphonic Acid 200 mls. Stir vigorously. Keep stirring. Then leave to soak for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add caustic soda. Stir very well. Add fragrance. Stir vigorously. Add colorant. I dissolved the powdered fragrance in water. Add fragrance to the thickness you desire. Please take precautions. Use a hand glove. Keep chemicals away from minors. Please like and share. Kindly subscribe. I'd like to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Any questions? Kindly comment below. Our liquid detergent is ready. please subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, please. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please respond. See you in my next video. Bye.